The verb to have. In French as in English, verbs are conjugated to match their subject, a person, a thing, a place, or an idea. But the conjugations are different and sometimes irregular. Verbs are called irregular when their conjugation changes with its subject. The French irregular verb avoir is another important verb in the French language. Simple present tense. Le présent is one of the most frequently used tenses in the French language. It corresponds to the English simple present, and we use it to talk about facts, current situation, and repeated action, as well as schedule future actions. Simple present of the verb to have. Listen and repeat. Singular. J'ai. Tu as. Il a. Elle a. Plural. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. Note: JE becomes J apostrophe before vowels and H. How to pronounce? Listen and repeat. Avoir. J'ai. Tu as. Il a. Elle a. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. Structure of sentence with avoir. Sentence equal subject plus avoir plus noun. Sentence equal subject plus avoir plus age. Example: He has a pen. Il a plus noun. I have two brothers. J'ai plus noun. We have a car. Nous avons plus noun. She is 20 years old. Elle a plus age plus ans. In English, we use the verb to be to express the age, but in French, we use the verb to have. An for year old, ans for years old. Note: if instead of the subject pronoun we have a noun, conjugate the verb to have according to the gender and the number of this noun. Example: John has a friend. John a plus noun. Maria has a brother. Maria a plus noun. Mark and Luke have a test. Mark, Luke ont plus noun. Women have more feelings. Women ont plus noun. Let's practice one more time the conjugation. Simple present of the verb to have. Listen and repeat. Singular. J'ai. Tu as. Il a. Elle a. Plural. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. The verb to have is a very important irregular verb, one of the most important verbs in French. We'll use it frequently, so take time to master it well for the rest of the study. The next unit will be the continuation of this one, meaning we will be learning the noun, a very important concept to help us make complete and proper sentences with the verb to have. For more explanation and practices, register on my website and get your daily exercises. Thank you for watching, and if you are new on my channel and love the content, share it with your friend, subscribe and hit the like button for more video. Thank you and see you soon.